Now, I ordered 3 iPod Touches off of eBay, and being a 16GB iPod Touch 5 without the eyesight camera, rear camera, a 6th generation iPod Touch, and a 7th generation iPod Touch, and I'm not sure off of eBay, and I'm not sure which one this is, but I got one of them today, and so today I'm going to unbox it just in case this turns out to be a scam, in which case I'll have video proof. So let's go ahead and open this up, see which iPod this is. Again, I can't show the back of this because it has my address on it. A small hole right here. Okay, right here we have an iPhone box. A 7 Plus box. Okay, this will be a nice box to add to the collection. Let me just go get some scissors and I'll go cut this open. So this is just half an iPhone box. It'll still be a great addition to the box tower. Let's go ahead and let's cut this open. Okay, this is definitely the 5th or 6th gen now. There we go. This is the most bizarre packaging I've ever received on an eBay purchase. I guess there's no protection. I think that... No, I was wrong. This is the 7th generation iPod Touch. Okay, this I actually got for a pretty decent price at a little $120, which is a pretty good deal. So this is the last iPod ever made. So let's go ahead and power this on. Let's get that out of the way. Let's power this on and see if it works. Yes, this is powering on. This is very hot though. Oh, it is June, so I'm not sure. June in the United States, so I'm not sure what to expect. Okay, I'm gonna go set this up and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just set up this iPod right here, so let's go continue. Alright, and I know this is going to be running iOS 15, but what version? Yep, 15.5, so one of the last versions, and this is a 32GB model with 23GB available. Yikes, iOS takes up quite a lot of storage. But on further examination, this does have a few scratches on it, but it's a lot of scratches, but hey, this is used. And it's good to know at least this is used pretty heavily. So as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes fanboy, and as always, peace out.